So I think it'd be a good idea if you warmed up with this. It's basically just the first mode shape there. And you gotta do like a, I guess going up by 10s would be okay for this. So, start at the 60, go up 10, and then once you got that, then go into doing the whole thing and see if that helps you be more consistent with keeping up with the picking. So remember, just push yourself hard with it, push yourself fast. So the next thing, just gonna have to do like old-fashioned speed work, but use Guitar Pro to make sure you hear everything correctly. And yeah, about 10-15 minutes a day should be good, so you're not like overdoing it. And the more days that you do it, you should be able to get up faster each time. So this one, definitely just a 5 beat per minute increase. And so when I'm doing this, let's see, I might be thinking of the other one that we had. Yeah, the other one. Okay, well, we're not working with the other one, so never mind. There was something I was doing with my index finger that made it easier to transfer, but it doesn't work on this one. So yeah, sort of make sure you tap on your foot along with that metronome or with the Guitar Pro click. And hopefully that helps you match the transitions better. And then, let's see, yeah, this one here. So going up in 10s, or was it 20s? Yeah, that's what we usually do, I believe. So this is what I want you to do. So try that at 60, and then when you got that, try it at 80. If that goes well, then try it at 100. If that goes well, then try it at 120. And if that goes well, then move on to the next one. So let's say 100 doesn't go well. Okay, we'll back it off to 90. Try that. And then if 90 goes well, we'll try 100 again. And let's say that goes well. Well, I wouldn't go up more than another 10. So I'm going to repeat this. So let's say 60 goes well, so then you try 80. 80 goes well, so then you try 100. 100 doesn't go so well, so then you back off to 90. And then 90 goes well, and then you go up to 100. And then, okay, now it is going okay. So instead of going to 120, only go to 110. Because if going from 80 to 100 didn't work out so well, I highly doubt going 100 to 120 will all of a sudden be better. So I'm going to play it safe, go up slowly. So let's say, 110, you get that, okay. And then 120, not so much. Well, go back down to 115 and get that, and then go back up to 120. So, in other words, try going up in 20 BPM increments and back off the speed only when you have to in order to get each bar correct. So after you can play this one, bar 2 and bar 3 by themselves up to the 140. I did say 120 over here. No, not 140. Sorry, I'm thinking of something else. Yeah, 120. That's right. Just 120. Just 120. But you can do all those three by themselves at 120. And don't need to do this one because that's the same as this. So yeah, then get that to 120, and then this to 120, and this to 120, then this plus this to 120. Once you can do that, then you can do the same thing. You do try that at 60. It goes well. Well, you have to start at 60. So after you do that at 60, then you can try it at 80 and see how that goes. And then try it at 100 and see how it goes, and so on. And then work on the whole thing without the repeat, and then add in the repeat once you can do no repeat at the 120. And then the theory stuff. So some of these chord shapes will be difficult to hold. I think you've experienced that because you've done this before. But just going one chord after the next, along with just the usual key of G and key of F as well. So there you go. That's what to do this week. And as always, if any questions come up, please let me know. And I'll see you next week.